In this video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the withdrawal process in Pocket Option and how you can withdraw any balance that you have. So to do this, from the Pocket Option website, choose Finance at the left side of the screen and then select Withdraw. Now, you will notice that for my account, the withdrawal option is not available yet. If this is the case for you, then all that you need is to make a deposit. So the withdrawal process becomes available after you deposit on your account. So go into the deposit option and make a deposit first. This will top up your account and consequently you will be able to use the withdrawal function. Now, a typical withdrawal request is going to be processed automatically and only takes a few minutes. In some extreme cases, it can go up to 3 business days. But regardless, after you have made the deposit, this is how the withdrawal menu looks. So you will have all of the main information. You will see your free balance at the top, the minimum amount that you must withdraw, and then any commission that is included. Then you choose the payment method, and if you want to withdraw to Cash App, you won't be able to select Cash App directly. What you have to do is a little workaround. So first, transfer the money to a bank account, so you include the amount, and then the account number, the bank details such as the IFSC code, and then your contact information, first name, last name, phone, and address. Once you transfer this money to a bank account, all that you have to do is connect the bank account to Cash App. So if you go inside a Cash App to access your account, you will find linked banks, and then you can choose the option to link a bank account. Now link the bank account that you used to receive the money from Pocket Option. Once the account is linked, you just choose Add Cash and then you use that bank account that received the money from Pocket Options. It is simple to do, but you have to use the bank account as a middleman before the money makes its way into Cash App. And after this is done, you will be able to add the balance into your Cash App account. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.